Hello friends, Namaskar. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Ashish Shah for Samanvay Briefing. Today we will talk about the tussle between PM Modi and President Trump and the various reasons given for it. But in actual practice, the reason why President Trump has imposed the tariffs on India is quite different. So let's analyze it. देखिए, अब तक जो है जो टैरिफ लगा है उसके पीछे कम से कम 5 रीज़न तो दिए गए हैं, जिसमें मोदी जी ट्रम्प के इनविटेशन पे यूएस नहीं गए, ट्रम्प के फ़ोन नहीं उठाए, रशियन ऑयल ख़रीदना जारी रखा और इसी प्रकार की अन्य बातें. लेकिन इफ़ यू सी इट, these reasons may be true, I don't deny it, but the actual reason or the prime reason is something else. See, Trump is after all the president of US, and though one may say that he is eccentric and he likes to do the way he wants to do things, right? But it's a big nation, it's a powerful nation, और वहाँ पे you don't run a foreign policy just based on your whims. This is a well-planned strategy carved out by the State Department of the United States of America. So, don't take this thing lightly. There is a different story and a totally different reason for this tariff. So, what is that? तो उसके लिए we have to compare the options that President Trump has before him. What are his options and what are his objectives? His main objective is to, if not crush, at least create hurdles and challenges for China to surpass US, right, in all possible way, economically, militarily and all that, right? So this is his prime objective. The second objective is to make America strong again, that is economically, right? Now what are the options before him? The options before him is either to have a fight with China, which is not a practical thing. It will involve huge damages on both the sides, right? If one sees the Russian-Ukraine war, there are already, it's going on for 3.5 years and there is no clear winner. So how one can say that a war or something like that between US and China will be fast and result oriented? That may take years and no one will know who is the clear winner unless something drastic happens, right? So US cannot go with China, war with China at the moment. That is so clear. So what other option President Trump has? The second option that President Trump has is to win Russia on its sides, which it has been trying for the last 6 months. If you see, President Trump is trying to woo President Putin as soon as he got on the presidential chair. But Putin is in no mood to oblige President Trump so soon unless Russia achieves its objectives, right? So this is also fixed in a stalemate situation, right? तो अब क्या करेगा प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प? चाइना से वो लड़ नहीं सकता, रशिया मानने को तैयार नहीं है, अब क्या करें? So for that, President Trump thought, why not to have a, or why not to lure China, right, in its fold. ठीक है भाई, प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प हैज़ टू ऑप्शंस, आइदर टू वू इंडिया, जो कि इंडिया की उनकी फॉरेन पॉलिसी थी पिछले 20-25 सालों से, एंड टू मेक इंडिया स्टैंड अगेंस्ट चाइना. पर इंडिया ने इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी शो नहीं की. इवन इंडिया हैज़ refused to involve Kuwait as a military operations. It has said Kuwait can be used for economically and other purposes, but not for military purposes. तो इंडिया खुलकर सामने नहीं आ रहा है चाइना के, एंड दिस हैज़ बीन ऑब्जर्व वेरी वेल बाय द अमेरिकन स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट. तो इंडिया के लिए क्या करे यूएस, राइट. दूसरी तरफ चाइना को भी शांत रखना है, राइट. यूएस कैन नॉट अफोर्ड अ वार विद चाइना एट द मोमेंट. So between India and China, President Trump chooses China and it gives its extended rope for tariff. 90 days का उसको एक्सटेंशन दिए जा रहा है, राइट. अब रह जाता है इंडिया. अब प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प को चाइना को ये सिग्नल देना है कि सी वी आर डूइंग सो मेनी थिंग्स फॉर यू इंक्लूडिंग पनिशिंग इंडिया, राइट. तो इंडिया पे वो टैरिफ इम्पोज करते हैं टू सेंड अ मैसेज टू चाइना दैट सी वी हैव इम्पोज्ड पेनल्टी ऑन इंडिया. सेकंड, देयर आर आल्सो न्यूज़ दैट प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प विल बी ऑफरिंग चाइनीज स्टूडेंट्स वीज़ा and remove the hurdles that they are facing. So this is the second message sent to China. So President Trump is signaling to China that see, we want good relations with you, right? And we have even discarded India as a strategic partner. This is the message that US is trying to send, which has not been properly interpreted by our strategy. And we are talking about this phone call and this and that, right? As I said, वो भी reason होंगे, but that is not the prime reason. The prime reason is between India and China, America has chosen China, right? Because China is a bigger economy. See, US cannot afford to have no trade with China. बट प्रॉब्लम यह है कि चाइना के साथ ट्रेड करते हैं तो चाइना की इकोनॉमी स्ट्रांग होती है. दैट इज ऑल्सो दे डोंट वांट. तो यहाँ पर एक डायलेमा है, राइट. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, इंडियन इकोनॉमी दो इट्स बिग, इट्स नंबर 4, बट स्टिल जो ट्रेड है इंडिया के यूएस के साथ इट्स नॉट दैट बिग. 110-120 बिलियन डॉलर के आसपास है, राइट. उसमें से भी ज़्यादा जो है वो इंडियन एक्सपोर्ट है यूएस को, ओके. वाइल चाइना के साथ इनका 400-500 बिलियन डॉलर का ट्रेड है, विच इज़ ह्यूज. सो द यूएस वांट्स बेटर रिलेशनशिप विद चाइना, राइट. और वो चाइना के साथ युद्ध भी नहीं चाहता. तो इसके लिए व्हाट दे हैव डन इज दे हैव मेड इंडिया एज अ स्केपगोट टू सेंड मैसेज टू चाइना दैट सी वी आर पनिशिंग इंडिया, वी आर मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम इंडिया, राइट. एंड वी आर ऑल्सो एनकरेजिंग योर स्टूडेंट्स टू कम टू यूएस. So this is the whole game that one has to understand. और ये जो पूरा टैरिफ का जो गेम है, this has to be seen as the game between US and China and not US and Russia or for that matter any other reason. Or India has been made a convenient scapegoat just to send a message to China. So I hope that this will be taken as the main reason by our viewers and also other people that the tariff war has a different angle and a different dimension which is not related to Russia. It is related to China. With that, we'll end today's podcast. Hope you liked our podcast. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.